How to use Acton Energy's custom WYSIWYG editor. HTML modules are edited in the HTML editor. These are most of your site's modules. These are the modules created using the HTML Pro module installed as a template for Acton Energy's site. To access a module's HTML editor, mouse over the Edit tool and select Edit Content. The editor for the HTML module has a rich text editor interface called the WYSIWYG editor. What you see is what you get. This provides a very Microsoft Word-like editing interface, including a toolbar for styling and customizing module content. In addition to the design view, you have the optional HTML view, where you can see and edit directly in HTML. Design View provides a more Microsoft Word-like editing experience. This is the area for editing your module content. The first option in the toolbar icon is for the spell checker. Next is a search option, which allows you to do a find and replace within the content. There's an icon for pasting if you are copying in content from Microsoft Word or another HTML page. There are options to undo and redo changes you made as you edit. These are options for inserting an image and for inserting a document from your site's library. Here are the icons to create and utilize templates within the HTML editor. This will allow you to save an HTML template if you have an HTML structure you want to reuse across multiple modules. Next, you have a hyperlink manager to create a hyperlink and another icon to remove a hyperlink. If you click on the hyperlink manager, a pop-up window opens, enabling you to create a hyperlink within the content. You can define the URL for the hyperlink, the text displayed for the URL, and the target where you would like the hyperlink to open. It's best to select New Window so visitors are not taken off of your website when they click on the link. Selecting an anchor. This can only be used if anchors have been created. An anchor is a location that can be linked to within this module's content, used to take the visitor up or down the content to related or referenced other content it is anchored to. To create an anchor, highlight the text you'd like to make an anchor, return to your hyperlink manager, select the Anchor tab, and enter a name for this new anchor. Click on OK to confirm. This anchor is now available in the existing anchor pick list. The Email tab takes you to controls for adding an email link to text or an image. Clicking the link will open the user's native email program with the email address in the Send To field. Highlight the text or object for the email link or place your cursor where you'd like to insert the link to an email address. Under the Email tab, in the Address text box, Enter the email address. In the text link box, enter the text to be displayed for this link. This text will only display for links, not for images. In the subject box, type what you would like to automatically populate in the visitor's email message subject line. CSS class is optional. Select Clear Class to use the default class. Click on OK. To remove a hyperlink, highlight the text and click on the Remove Hyperlink icon in your HTML editor toolbar. Tooltip: enter a tip displayed to the visitor when they place their mouse over the link. This is optional. CSS class: select Clear Class to use the default class for the link. This is also optional. The track link clicks and link log report settings are optional. Your link activity is already tracked with event tags and your site's Google Analytics metrics reporting. The next icon is for inserting a symbol. This is for creating or editing advanced table styles. Your digital style guide includes a video and instructions for creating the 3 types of tables in your website's approved formats. This icon is for starting a new paragraph, and this one opens the HTML editor window into full screen. This changes selected text to bold. This is for italicizing text. We do not recommend using italicized text because it is more difficult to read. This icon underlines selected text. You also have strike-through controls, superscripting and subscripting, right indent and left indent. This control changes the selected copy to an ordered or numbered list, and this is for an unordered list or bulleted list. This adds a horizontal rule wherever the cursor is placed. And these are for text alignment. This setting enables you to change the style of selected content. I can change this line to a heading 3 style. Note, before using heading styles, it's important for both your site metrics and page structure that you reference your digital style guide for rules on your site's approved heading styles and their appropriate use. This button accesses your custom style sheet settings for buttons and links. Contact your developer to ensure buttons and links are set up correctly to track analytics. This button removes all formatting, and this will take you back to the digital style guide.